This is the performance summary for week 7 of 2025, which is the week ending Feb 14th. Let's start by inputting the starting and ending balances. So the starting balance was the one on Feb 7th. And the ending balance was on Feb 14th. So last week I lost $423, which represents a loss of 1.29%. And let's input the theoretical trades from the trade list. These are the 5 trades we did last week. So we lost 1.32% theoretically, so pretty close to actual. Now let's look at these trades one by one. First one was Amazon, where we lost 0.81%. So this is what Amazon looks like over maybe a 1-year time frame. And what the strategy does, as a reminder, is it buys stocks in the S&P 100 OEX index every week, and it looks for stocks that are oversold in the near term, and among those it looks for those that have some relative strength. So here's Amazon. We bought here on a Monday where the system recognized that there was a sell-off in the prior week, so we bought here and sold here and lost a little bit. Next trade is BLK, BlackRock. And there we lost a little over 2%. And this is the long-term, or maybe the 1-year, maybe 2-year price history of BlackRock. And it's had some weakness recently, so the system had us enter here on Monday, and we got out here on Friday. Next one is Google. We lost about 1% on that one. And here's the sell-off that Google had in the week prior to last. It's a pretty good sell-off. And it did not recover over the course of this week. So this was our trade. Next one is MetLife. There we lost 2.5%. So the dip that it was looking at was this one, and got in here on Monday, sold here on Friday for a losing trade. And the last one is Tesla. We roughly broke even on that one. Tesla has been a little weak since December, and it's had some more of a sell-off in the prior week. And so we bought here on the Monday and sold here on a Friday, kind of flat. All right, now let's input the ending balance into our cumulative tab. So if we factor in last week's loss of $423, the running total since going live in June of 2024, the running total is now $6,464. That's our total gain since then, and that's about a 25% run up in our equity. And if we update the graph here, this is what our actual equity curve of our account growth looks like. So we're still pretty close to the all-time high since going live. And let's look at the equity curve on a longer term. This is what the equity curve looks like going back to 1994. That's the back test. And to zoom in a little closer, let's say from 2018, this is what it looks like. And let's zoom in maybe a year And we went live in the middle of 2024, so right about here. And this is how our equity curve has evolved over that time. And we're here. So that's the performance summary for week 7 of 2025. If you want to learn more about how the strategy works, please visit my website at returnstream.com. The link is also in the description box below. Thank you.